your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited without a sign, as I know what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. It's been 72 weeks in this town. I still believe I'll see you again. No matter what, I got off the ground for something that matters to me. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. I just hope we could stay together. We wait and see, but the chances are small, just like the lottery.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Ciao a tutti, spero che il video vi sia piaciuto. Però vi voglio dare ancora qualche consiglio. Io ho fatto la pizza di Pasqua nella versione con canditi e ovetta. ma se non vi piacciono potete sostituirli con le gocce di cioccolato oppure farla semplice con i semi di anice. Come avete visto, per cuocerla ho utilizzato uno stampo in alluminio, quello che si usa per cuocere il panettone. Però se non l'avete potete utilizzare uno stampo in carta che trovate facilmente nei negozi per casalinghi o nelle cartolerie. Per conservare la pizza mettetela in un sacchetto per alimenti ben chiuso e rimane a soffice a lungo. Spero che rifarete la mia ricetta e nel caso mandatemi le foto. Inoltre vi ricordo di iscrivervi al canale qui sotto, di attivare la campanellina e di seguirmi sui social Facebook e Instagram. Un saluto e alla prossima ricetta!
Feels like things are gonna